It's 3:25 a.m. and my alarms are going off. Oh, God. Basement stairway. Ah, it's this one here. Scared the crap out of me. Yeah, the reason why I use tape because the screw thing on this pull station broke and wore out. So I'm gonna have to keep it like this, guys, as it is. I guess I can go to mode and disable it. I'm gonna go off again. Now, if I hold it closed. Alright, there we go. Please do not open again. Alright, there we go. Alright, well, guys, that was a problem. And look, as you can see, it is 3:28 a.m. Boy, that wasn't fun. It scared the crap out of me. That's a problem. Never use tape to close a pulsation that's like with the screw thing is worn out. Because that will set your alarms off. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.